My name is Eric Henriksen, and I'm the founder of Bizebo. What if you could validate your business idea in days, not months, without wasting a dime on guesswork? You're not alone if you've ever hesitated or doubted. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs launch businesses with proven strategies, and now I've put it all in one powerful course, the Validate Business Ideas Ultimate Bundle. This isn't just theory, it's a step-by-step guide. You'll learn how to test your idea in the real world, identify your ideal customer, and refine your approach using tools trusted by top startups. This bundle includes hands-on exercises and a comprehensive toolkit. Over 5,000 entrepreneurs have validated their business ideas with this framework and unlocked growth they didn't think was possible. The value of this course isn't just what you'll learn, it's the mistakes you won't make. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time to validate your idea is now. Get started with the Validate Business Ideas Ultimate Bundle and turn your vision into a business that works. Your business starts with your belief, and this bundle makes it unstoppable. Imagine the confidence you'll gain by knowing your idea is viable before investing significant time and resources into it. Aspiring entrepreneurs, small business owners, side hustlers, and action takers, this course is designed for you. It provides clear guidance and proven strategies to help you succeed in your entrepreneurial journey. Our course empowers you to take immediate action, saving you time, money, and effort. You'll be equipped with actionable insights that allow you to test, refine, and launch your business ideas with confidence. Join a community of like-minded individuals who have transformed their dreams into reality. Learn from their experiences and leverage the collective wisdom to accelerate your own success. The Validate Business Ideas Ultimate Bundle is your key to unlocking entrepreneurial potential. With our expert guidance, you'll navigate the complexities of starting a business with ease and assurance. This course is more than just a learning experience, it's a catalyst for change. Embrace the opportunity to innovate and grow, knowing you have the tools and support to make informed decisions. Take the first step towards realizing your business dreams. Get the Validate Business Ideas Ultimate Bundle today and discover the power of validation.